Welcome back to Shaving Down Under, and I have an American unboxing. It's come all the way from Oklahoma. $87.50 USD. That's a lot of Aussie dollars, trust me. The Aussie dollar is like a banana republic peso. It's yeah. It's very frustrating. It's in the world of razor collecting or collecting anything where the majority of stuff comes from the United States. It's an expensive game because American postage in general is more expensive than Australian, and on top of that, the exchange rate is absolutely shocking. There we have it. Instant hand sanitizer wipes. Well, we've got all sorts of... Whoa, sorry about that. We've got all sorts of stuff in here. We'll start by checking out what we've got here. So we've got some soaps. Looks like this one has been used. Barrister and Man. I'm not sure if I had any from this company. Well, if it has been used, not much. Not a bad scent. Le Grand Chypre, is that how it's pronounced? 06. Yeah. Anyway, should be interesting. Hopefully there is a splash for it. The Monarchs. The Noble Otter Monarch Shave Soap. Puck's moving around, dried up a bit. Not much on the nose on that one. At the moment, lavender powder, cognac, coffee, orange, neroli, hyacinth, sandalwood, and vanilla. Oh, you can, the lavender is there. What have we got here? Planet Kind and a cat. Keep going. And this is a protective shave cream. It's a Gillette one. And I don't think you can get this in Australia. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I haven't seen it at any supermarkets. Come on, cat. I don't know if that's been used or it's just gone to one side. Smells like shave soap or shave cream. Little I don't know, like a green banana scent, if that makes any sense. Move this cat once again. We got another soap down here. Let's do as many of these, and we got another Noble Otter. Look at this cat. He's just so persistent. Come on. What have we got here? Saffron, bergamot, petitgrain, jasmine, absolute, geranium, whetstone. Interesting, whetstone. Sandalwood and tonka bean. There it is there. Oh yeah, this has got a nice scent. Quite a strong scent too. Yeah, actually I might actually try that one. We've got here the splash for the Monarch. Oh yeah, no. What the hell's in that? What the hell? Hang on a sec. I got no idea what that is. Blood glucose something. Strips. I don't know. Oh. Here's one. Now this, wow, this is heavy. This is the first time I've had one of these. Fougere. That's chock-a-block. Nice Fougere scent. Wow, I'm looking forward to that. Is that a soap or a cream? Soap. I'll be looking forward to getting into that. I think we'll just put that down flat. So, the hell's in there? Rightio. You can go there. What I think I'll do is we'll stop the video there and we'll do the second part next week. Okay, thanks for sticking around. Let me know if you've got any of these soaps, what you think of them. If you're American or European, maybe, if it's sold in Europe, let me know what you think of this stuff. And I've seen these around the traps, never had a chance to get hold of one. Let me know what you think of these soap, this brand of soap. And if you have the Fougere, I think it's pronounced, the correct pronunciation, Fougere. Let me know what you think, and the Barrister and Man as well, because I don't think I've tried a Barrister and Man yet, but I could be wrong. Okay, people, I'll see you on the next video.